Alright, so I'm just gonna do the Dribble Overhaul map. Just show you how to use these maps. Sort of. Sorry about the squeaking. But yeah, sort of just show you how to use these maps to actually train. No, it's not casual. Just try to be as fast as you absolutely can. Like, to get the best times, you need to go for a lot of time skips. Like flicking and being able to cut corners and stuff. So like just being able to do like these dribble maps quickly will and with like flicking and stuff, it will help you a lot later on. So I'm probably not just gonna talk. I'll try not to talk too much because then my time will be really bad. But I guess it works. But like just being able to go, regardless of what your takeoff is or like how you start, being able to recover a dribble, mid dribble is really important, and being able to just stay in control at all times is pretty important when it comes to Rocket League. And doing these maps not only helps you with dribbles, but it helps you with like reading the game from the other person's point of view as well, because like if you know what to do with the ball in your hood, you can more easily anticipate what other players will do. Oh wow, that was not in. Unlucky. Well, like yeah. And like flicking when you need to flick on these maps, it helps you with consistency as well, because you got to be able to flick consistently, or otherwise you're going to lose a lot of progress really quickly. Can get the pinch. Honey, I got the bump. Oh no, I'm choking big time, dude. I think that should be fine. This level is really fun. And you can use this as like aerial, like air dribble practice. I'm just gonna go for a decent time. We'll go for the shortcut. Hey, we got it. A bit too quick. Slow down. I haven't done this map in a while though, so I might mess up on some later levels, but it should be fine. I'm not going to go for the shortcut here because I can't do it consistently, which is like to pop it high and just go for the air dribble all the way. But it's really hard. Oh no, I'm too quick. Oops, that was so dumb. I should just chilled. I thought I could get past it quick enough. I remember the first time I did this map, I was stuck on this level for so long. Like weeks before I actually managed to do it. But that was really fun though, like learning how to do the map and stuff. I really enjoy custom maps. I really do. A good custom map is just really good. Once you can get this one under 10 minutes, like you should look to do harder ones. No, I died. I was about to say we have a like alright pace for a sub 10. As long as we just, yeah, never mind. It's ruined. Did I actually mess it up? Thank God for that. This one is a bit tricky. If you've never done it before. Dude, I suck. Trick is to just like stay ahead of the red wall the entire time. And like being able to dribble it fast, like close to supersonic while still maintaining control. We can still do a sub 10 if we just don't mess. If you just don't mess up. Ah, nay, I messed up. Unlucky. Ooh. No, I lost it, dude. Ah, that's unlucky. We can get like 11 minutes, that'll be okay. Dude, I'm choking so hard. No way. Unlucky. Alright, so we gotta be slow and steady here. Wait for the wall to spawn again because I was so slow. Ah, we would have made it though. But it's fine. We can do it like that. Is a sub 10 dream still alive? Let's see. Maybe. I made so many mistakes this run. Like silly mistakes. Which cost me probably a minute. Maybe more. Sub 10 dream is still alive. Alright, just one shot this one, it's fine. Alright, so we gotta cut this corner. I don't know where to go. The road has been so long, but it's been no, did I choke? Yeah, I got it. 9-11. That's alright. So yeah, like try to get a sub 10 on this map. And yeah, good luck.